Welcome to another intense episode of Extreme Truck and Heavy Equipment Fails. In today's video, we bring you some of the most dangerous truck crashes, near-miss accidents, and heavy equipment disasters caught on camera. From overloaded semi-trucks tipping over to massive excavators getting stuck in deep mud, this compilation will leave you in shock. Stick around because you won't believe what happens next. Right here, you're looking at a fully loaded 18-wheeler that lost traction on a sharp turn. The driver miscalculated the speed, causing the truck to slide and slam into the barrier. Luckily, no one was seriously injured, but this could have ended much worse. Proper load distribution and braking control are critical when handling such massive vehicles.
Just lost control. Oh,
Check this out, this giant truck tire, weighing nearly 1,500 pounds, broke loose and rolled straight toward a worker. With just a split second to react, he barely manages to dodge it. A few inches closer, and this could have been a tragic accident. This is why routine equipment inspections are a must in the industry.
Like the air. A couple of police officers from Spring Township, Pennsylvania, probably never expected
tire
this.
coming off the truck and then rolling in front of a car, which then hits the tire and goes flying into the air. Moments later, we see that same tire come rolling back into view and hitting the same car. We'll give you another look at it. Witnesses say the driver was the only occupant in that.
And here we have a classic heavy equipment Fela 50-ton excavator getting completely stuck in thick, wet clay. The operator underestimated the ground stability, and within seconds the machine starts sinking. Recovering equipment from these conditions is a costly and time-consuming process. That's why checking soil conditions before operating in rough terrain is so important.
Can you say dump truck?
This crane collapse is a textbook example of why load calculations matter. As the operator lifts a 20,000-pound steel beam, the crane becomes unstable due to improper counterweight distribution. In seconds, the entire structure tips over, crushing nearby scaffolding. This could have been avoided with proper weight balancing and adherence to safety protocols. But it's not all about failure sometimes. We see incredible recoveries. Here, a team of experienced operators uses multiple tow trucks and winches to pull a wrecked 80,000-pound big rig out of a deep ditch. These professionals prove that skill, teamwork, and the right equipment can make all the difference. As you can see, working with heavy equipment and trucks is no joke. Whether it's reckless driving, poor equipment maintenance, or unpredictable terrain, one small mistake can lead to Welcome back to another episode of Extreme Truck and Heavy Equipment Fails. In our last video, we saw how reckless driving, poor load distribution, and lack of safety measures led to some insane crashes and near-miss disasters. But today, we're shifting gears to focus on something just as important: the right way to operate heavy equipment and trucks safely. Let's start with why safety matters. Take a look at this semi-truck losing control on a wet highway. The driver slams the brakes too hard, causing the trailer to swing sideways. This is called a jackknife accident. These crashes happen when there's poor weight distribution, bad road conditions, or driver error. The right move? Controlled braking, proper tire maintenance, and keeping a safe stopping distance. Now, let's talk load distribution, a key factor in preventing truck and heavy equipment failures. In this first clip, a truck is carrying an unevenly distributed load, making it top heavy. As soon as it takes a turn, the entire truck tips over. But in the next shot, the same type of truck carries the same weight, evenly distributed, and handles the curve safely. Balancing cargo, securing loads properly, and checking weight limits can make all the difference between a smooth ride and a disaster. Heavy machinery isn't just about power, it's about precision. Here, we see two excavator operators. The first one rushes the job, swinging the arm too fast, losing control, and nearly flipping the machine. The second operator takes his time, moves smoothly, stays within the machine's limits, and completes the task safely. Training, patience, and understanding your equipment are what separate a dangerous operator from a skilled professional.
On cars operates a beast, stepping down from the rail cars all by itself when the job's done. No extra help needed.
Tip over, causing thousands of dollars in damage. But watch this next clip. A properly trained operator stabilizes the crane, checks weight calculations.
When every second matters, lifting everything at once is the only way to go.
Save lives.
It's the ultimate time saver when the pressure's on.
And final it happens when a massive truck or excavator gets stuck.
The Kamaz in Armenia is trying to back up, but the brakes have a mind of their own, making the truck lift off the ground. Quite a sight to behold.
See how experienced operators use winches, multiple anchor points, and controlled force to safely recover a stuck 18-wheeler. Patience and the right equipment make all the difference. At the end of the day, operating heavy machinery isn't just about power.
Not even a heavy-duty bulldozer can handle that kind of massive weight.
in an excavator or lifting a massive crane. The right training prevents
Car's precision
disasters.
is like seeing a well-oiled machine in action.
Let us know in the
Teamwork
comments if
makes
you've
tough
ever
jobs
seen a
look easy.
reckless truck driver or an incredible operator at work. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon so you never miss another extreme truck and heavy equipment fail compilation. Stay safe, stay smart, and keep watching Forestry Tech for more amazing content.